Welcome to Terra Naturals. I made a nourishing beetroot lip balm using alkanet root infused oil and beetroot oil for a natural tint and hydration. Beetroot lip balm with alkanet root infused oil and beetroot oil provides natural hydration, enhances lip color, and protects against dryness. Even though you may not get much tint, the beetroot lip balm will heal the chapped lips and repair the cracks. I prepared 40 lip balms as per my customer's order. So I created a tutorial video for my customers with a budget-friendly fee. I tried pouring the lip balm mixture into the lipstick holder and I got the best results. The beetroot lip balm contains all the goodness of beeswax, shea butter, ghee, coconut oil, castor oil. Melt all the ingredients using double boiler method in low heat. After melting these ingredients, add alkanet root oil, beetroot oil and mix it well. Now remove the pan from the heat and add beetroot powder. Use a whisk to mix the beetroot powder thoroughly. Stir continuously to prevent clumping. Pour into the lipstick tubes or small containers while warm. Let it set at room temperature for a firm and matte finish. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.